Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. Today we have a really interesting product. We have a crumb catcher made by TaoTazon. Now you may be asking yourself, why do you need a crumb catcher? Well, a crumb catcher can be used for the elderly if they're needing something to help keep from ending up with food all over the place, say they're a little messy. It could be a teenager. It could even be a food competition going on that you need something like this to help catch stuff that falls. What if you're taking a long trip in your car and you're trying to eat? Have you ever tried to eat messy things like a hot dog with mustard? I mean, you could put this on, make your little trip. If anything falls, it's going to get caught here and not end up in your lap. I mean, there's a lot of really cool reasons you could use this. And by the way, we're going to try it in a second and see how it works. I've even got a cookie, my favorite. Now, let me point out a couple of things that I think is very unique. Not only does it have a big catch basin area, it is made out of a silicone, one piece with no stitching. So you don't have to worry about it coming apart. The silicone makes it really, really nice and easy to clean. It also makes it easy to fold and store. Now, another thing that I think is awesome about this is the neck. I have a very large neck. I'm not necessarily a small person, so it's hard to find anything, including collared shirts, that fit my neck. This has a 6.5-inch round neck. I like the fact that it has a double button area and it's super simple. You're just going to take it and push it in and boom, it's done. So we're going to see how hard it is to get this on, and we're going to try it real quick. So I'm going to take it around my neck. I'm going to see if I can get these to actually catch all by myself. I feel one just went in. Let's see if we can get the other one. And there's the other one. So actually fits. I have plenty of room around here. And even if it is snug, by the way, guys, the flexibility of the silicone really helps that. But I have plenty of room. Now you notice that it's riding higher. It's not down in my stomach where the things can still hit and fall away. And the way this flaps out, it should catch things. Now if you are in a seated position, it's probably going to gap that out and push it out a little further for you to even make it easier. So we're going to try it in a standing position though and see if it'll actually work. And I'm going to be purposely messy here, guys. So let's see how it does. Kind of hard to be messy when you don't want to be, but if you look, it actually catches everything perfectly in it without it falling to the floor. So if you were looking for a really great crumb catcher, I don't think you're going to go wrong with these. If I was rating it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because it's extremely durable, easy to clean, and it does everything that they said it would do. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.